were the team of 7 technology students from Mexico. We're going to represent in province and process. Our team is made up of Pino Villagómez Saúl, Montiel Muñiz Grecia Alejandra, Pérez Gómez Jennifer, Rosales de Lucio Erika Celeste, and Samudio Hernández Jesus Emmanuel. Proposal from improving in the production process. Essential quality control the team up topic 3 chart by attribute control 1 graph P 2 ENP graph.
Hello, my name is Samudio Manuel and I will tell you about an improvement proposal. Introduction. Production derives from the sets of processes responsible for multiple tasks. One of those processes is the inspection and quality control that our product must have. From the beginning of the production process, quality is the key factor in obtaining a product that generates recognition and above having profitability. The following work will carry out a purpose for improvement in the inspection and control of quality through attribute control graphs that in turn have a beneficial environment impact and generate better profitability. Objective. Preparation and implementation of a proposal to improve a process of inspection and quality control in the closed production line on the basis of item 3, control chart for attributes chart P and NP of the Juviet static quality control. Specific objectives. Apply the environment proposed to a real industry's process. Apply to propose in an industry's sustainability plan with a beneficial impact on the environment. Can know aspects and change in the development of the proposed plan with subjects of the subjects. Overcome the change arising from the process of implementation proposed for environment because of the pandemic. Development. In closed industries, the production process is sufficient. For this reason, we'll select two processes to which a proposal for improvement will be applied in the inspection and quality control plan that its process carries out. The improvement plan consists of applying process monitoring and control using attribute control charts, P-graph and NP chart, evaluating two process lines responsible for making snack, half-bound chocolate bars, and packing cornflakes, with a certain production plan of 48,061 kilograms half-bound bars and 45,363 kilograms of the cornflakes, produced during the period 3 of January.
Hello, I am the engineer Saúl Pino Villagómez. I'm going to present 1. Snack the production process. 2. Application of the P chart. Next, we will see the production process next. The cereal that is needed for this product comes in large bags of more than 10,000 kilograms, where they are put into rolling liquids and rests between 10 and 20 minutes. Depending on the amount of production established, then they go to an oven called section throne and hopper, where the cereal is inflated to such degree that it may hereby the rolling click. It is the transport by a Beltron and roller hopper that transport into a cooling chamber and the house to the counter where the quality inspection are in charge of weighing each bar. This is the quality according to the quality star. When the product does not meet the stars, the bell dives the process batch to the was ear. In the tables shown, the variables are obtained by the serial process where you get the following data. Table 1, we obtain the number of defects the process the serial has can be seen in the graphs obtained from the inspection of the process. The data shows on control both the lower and upper limits. Sometimes has to debate with respect to the production.
Hi, I am Mandiel Muñiz Grecia Alejandra. I will talk about process 2, Packaway graphic exercise MP. Production process for cornflakes baking. The beginning of the process is similar to the previous one. The cereal is transported in larger sack and the vacuum to the rolling are the help to cereal to become a small grind of solid corn. This transport by means of baking hopper system where the curd reaches a cooking point where the rice crescent to be ground and becomes a cereal of a certain specification ready to be transported to the alcoholing by means of conveyor belts. The final inspection process consists of taking simplifying through Swinger analysis studios indicate the type of considers it carry and the season of to use batches. If a batch does not meet the splashing characteristic, it is diversion from the production line to the waste zone. Conclusion Grand MP. We can see the data and the graph made and the speed limit are checking for the simple of not conforming youth. They will continue to be well below what is allowed. Therefore, we will have to put our product back on to repeat what is coming out, in order to the line with the best possible quality.
Hello everyone, I am Erika Celeste Rosales de Lucio. I am gonna talk about the system for the care of the environment within the improvement plan. Export proposal. By generating a manual based on standard and quality standard depend of the export objective countries. This will be an archive after a set of steps to help us meet each of the local standards and investigation into the quality standards of the countries to be exported. Research savings and increased profitability. Machines installation responsible for drought monitoring can generate greater quality control in the production, consume workers' clearance when going to the bathroom, change of personnel, etc. Thus saving times, labor costs, salaries, and thus obtaining a better production plan to increase the speed of production, making the company generate more and therefore earn more. Well, in this part we're gonna talk about the care of the environment within the improvement plan. Production is planned in advance through software that outputs data such as the amount in kilograms of cereal that is produced or needed, start dates, closing dates, among other things. Our improvement plan is responsible for applying a control chart for greater quality control over production. Due to this requires workers with knowledge of the handling of the machinery responsible for the inspection. Therefore, a production plan can be developed when the amount of production is lower in a certain period of time and high after that period. Proposal for improvement and environmental impact. Machines that consume renewable energy are used to reduce carbon dioxide, CO2 pollution due to overuse of boilers. Water preheating tubes are used towards boilers, reducing the use of gas to heat boilers. Waste is sold to crop owners for use as compost and to livestock owners who use it as food for their animals.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I want to take of saving of methane and increase of the installation of machine managers of supervision throughout may generate a inter control of quality in hip product consumer the classes of the workers to moment of to go the bathroom Chavins of personnel. Rule of sport. Generally a handbook-based rules and standards of quality depends the object of sport, the test, and one watch it, then of establish of step of what obstacle to accompany each one of the rules. In our experience, we can set one the production the about multiple short songs as he process of inspection and he control of the quality for power supervise we control of the process through team scene in into subject I want evaluate the lines production and to now as words each a of day we play graphic P in the process of production for bars we apply a chat in in the process for pack checks.
We're student the technology Gustavo Marrero of the Industrial and Engineering.